I was sent this earwax remover kit with camera, and I can already tell this is going to be a really crazy, interesting, cool experience. I've never done this before, and I just downloaded the app so we can use the camera. And look at this, guys. This is gross. Okay, warning. I just did this, and that's earwax, like coming out of my ear. Wait, what? Ew! You can't see that to the human eye. Like, at least I didn't know I was walking around with earwax. So it's gonna get real. Let's do this and let's see what happens. So first of all, I've never had a camera like this, and now I don't think I could ever live without one. I literally have earwax hanging out of my ear. Wow. And that's just one side. So that's fascinating. So I like that you can see the before of what you're working with, and then you can do the after. Okay, I'm gonna do my other ear, inspect it, and then we'll get started with this part. So on this one, you're gonna turn it on. And then when that is blue, that means your water is cold. I actually had the water warmed up, and I'm gonna have to go and warm it up again because we want it to be green, which means it's the warm temperature, and then we'll go ahead and use that in our ear. Also, you're gonna have your charging cord, and then you also get Q-tips to use afterwards, and then you get some of these extra ear pieces, which it comes with one right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go and get warmer water to put inside of here, and then we'll get started. So right here, there's the lock unlock, lifts that up, and then the sensor for the heat is at the bottom, and there's the clean chamber, and then there's the waste chamber. So let's get the water warmed up. If you go too hot, it gets red. So I went too hot. We need it to be 90 degrees plus or minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that water cool down a smidgy. And as it does that, we'll put this back on, lock it back into place, and I will wait for it to turn green, and then we'll get started. Once it is on and we're green to go, don't hit it again until it's in your ear, because this thing just started spraying my ceiling. That was not great. Okay, here we go. I kind of think I know what I'm doing. And I'm gonna hit this little button that says spray. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting it to be that strong. Oh my gosh. Wow. I don't think I had a very good suction on my ear on that one. Okay. That was intense. Oh, let's try the other side. Maybe I'll do better with that side. Oh yeah, see, that side was so much better. Okay, learning curve, guys, learning curve. Let me try this side one more time and try not to get it all over the place. But I was able to go through all the different modes. That was interesting. The softer modes, the harder modes. And I think the reason why this year was all over the place and this year wasn't as much is because I think I have some earwax buildup more in this year than this year. So should we go check and see the results? Let's do it. Well, it certainly looks clearer just looking in the app, and I'm not going too deep using this little camera right now, but I do want to pour out the water and see what happens. Okay, anything? Well, nothing visible, so I guess that's a good sign. Good, good, good. Okay, so now I have that Q-tip to use and really get any of that excess water, because I do feel like I have a little bit of water. But normally when I use a Q-tip to my ears, you can see earwax. That's just kind of the earwax buildup that I tend to have, and I'm not seeing a lot. So this worked. I'm impressed, and I think you're gonna really like it too.